A single sneeze caused a 100-car pileup on a Texas highway. One man behind the wheel lost control for just a moment as he sneezed, setting off a chain reaction that would become one of the most bizarre traffic disasters in state history. Picture dozens of cars packed bumper to bumper, hurtling down the highway at high speed. The man's sudden sneeze made him swerve slightly, and the car behind him had no time to react. In seconds, brake lights flashed, tires screeched, and a domino effect of collisions exploded down the road. Drivers who barely glanced away to check their mirrors or radios found themselves crashing into the chaos. All it took was that split-second lapse in attention, triggered by something as ordinary as a sneeze, to send cars spinning and metal crunching in a tangled mess. The highway was left littered with wrecked vehicles, stunned drivers, and a traffic jam that stretched for miles. All because of an involuntary sneeze, showing just how quickly things can unravel on the road.